Delivery, Baldi, basic, insert, and reality. Okay, but really soon, last video I played basic 9. Now we're about basic. Okay, all the.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the 3 questions correctly, and you might get something special. Problem 1. 1 minus good 1. Problem 2. 4 plus 4 equals. You're doing fantastic. I can't believe it. You're incredible.
Nice.
Problem 1. 7 minus 2 equals. You're doing fantastic.
What?
Problem 2.
No, my
0 minus 0 equals. Great job! That's right! Problem 3. Plus times equals.
I hear everything. Oh.
Let go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What?
Wow, that's great. Let's play again. Sometimes.
15 seconds.
What?
Detention for you. Your parents will hear about this one.
Let's play. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that's great.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! My God! Yeah. Whoa! No. 分手啦！Yep, I don't know what.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the 3 questions correctly, and you might get something special. Good 1. Problem 2. 9 minus 8. You're doing fantastic. Problem 3. 5 minus. You got it.
See, I'm good.
You did great. Come here, your prize. A shiny quarter. Problem 1. 3 plus 9 equals...
Well,
Great job! That's right! Problem 2. 7 plus 6 equals...
72.
You got it! Problem 3. Plus...
Resolving. Hold on.
I see you, friend. Will you marry me?
Stop. Stop. Okay. Okay.
I see you, friend. Will you marry me? I have lost you. I don't like that.
Yeah.
Looks like I got a sweep, sweep. Got a sweep. Got a sweep.
What the fuck? Beep, beep, beep. Nice.
Got a sweep.
Sweet. What the? Oh no, what's going on? It's possible question.
Got a sweep.
Question. Oh no! Okay, best of what the best answer.